Analysis. Qualitative analysis is a process used to identify the presence of specific substances in a solution. So, quantitative analysis identifies the amount of a particular substance. So, for example, breathalyzer, testing drinking water for dissolved solutes, that sort of thing. Advanced techniques like atomic absorption spectroscopy can be used along with chemical techniques like it can be used with wet chemical techniques like these. One is ion color in solution. So aqueous solutions of certain cations and anions have distinct color. Okay. So for example, there we have nickel is green. We've also got copper there, that's blue. Okay. We have a flame test. So many metals can produce a distinctive color of flame when they are heated. This is like what we were talking about with the fireworks there, right? When we talked about magnesium. So heat will thermally excite the electrons in the ion or atom of the metal and move them into a higher energy level. So when the electrons return to their original energy level, they emit visible light. Okay. Another example is precipitation reactions. So a precipitation reaction is a double replacement reaction in which a solid product is formed, which is called the precipitate. Okay, you can add a known solution to an unknown solution and see if it forms a precipitate. This can help you distinguish between possible ions in the unknown solution. For example, you have a solution that may contain either aluminum ions or barium ions. What solution could you add to the unknown solution to determine the type of ion present? So, you will need a solution that will form a solid product in one in which the ions, that will form a solid product in with one of the ions but not with the other one. So for example, here we have NaOH, which is aqueous. Okay, if we have this aluminum, and our OH ions forms a solid, but if we have our barium ones, this is an aqueous, okay? So if a solid precipitate forms, then the unidentified ion is aluminum. If no precipitate forms, then the ion is barium. Quite easy to tell, okay? Now, if we look here at solubility, these are definitions. The solubility of a solute is the amount of a solute that dissolves in a given quantity of solvent at a given temperature. So for example, sodium has a solubility of 36 grams per milliliter at 20 degrees Celsius. An unsaturated solution is a solution that dissolves, a solution that does not have the maximum amount of solute dissolved in it. Okay? A saturated solution, on the other hand, is a solution that contains the maximum amount of a dissolved solute at a given temperature. Some undissolved solute will be present. So the solution may still be able to dissolve other solutes, though. Now, a supersaturated solution contains more dissolved solute than its solubility at a given temperature. Okay? So let's quickly, I don't know if we'll do that. I'd like you guys to watch this video. I will contain a link for it, a quick QR code and whatnot in the notes. Alright?